All right. Well, we went over step one, the initial call, step two, financing and how to get that secured and the loan types and all that stuff. Now we're going to go over step three. And step three is all about searching for the one. That's right. Searching for the one, guys. That's absolutely what we're going to go over in today's video. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to set up an MLS search and we're going to have that automatically update you as homes come available. But what you want to keep in mind when you're relocating to and moving to Enid, Oklahoma, is the MLS has 99% of the houses on there, and we fine tune the search to meet your criteria and what you're looking for. If you happen to be looking at a secondary site, a site that gets its information from the MLS, a home or two might pop up that might be for consideration, but it won't meet that exact criteria that we put together to get homes in front of you that we know that you've said that you want. So if you do see a home on a secondary site that you are interested in, send it to us, email it to us, text it to us. That way we can look at it and we can discuss it with you to see if it does meet your criteria. We're going to base the search on what you told us on that initial call. And when we're looking at houses, because we're going to pick, 4, 5, 6 houses to look at in an evening when you get off work, or if you're coming in over the weekend, we might have 10 or 20 houses to look at. Okay. Just when you're looking at your schedule, and if there's other things you want to do during that day, just think inside Enid, Oklahoma, you're thinking about 3 houses per hour. If we're looking at rural properties outside Enid, Oklahoma, you're looking at about 2 houses per hour. So when we're structuring our timeline, we're going to map out everything and send you a copy of the map of the homes we're going to be looking at. And the timeline is going to be on that map. But when you're thinking about it for yourself, just know 3 homes per hour in town, 2 homes per hour when we're looking at rural properties around Enid, Oklahoma. Is that helpful? Thumbs up if that's helpful. And guys, if this is the first time to the channel and you are considering relocating to, move to, or move within Enid, Oklahoma in the Enid, Oklahoma metro area, give us a call, shoot us, text, send us an email. The agents that I work with, XP Realty and I, we're absolutely here to help you with all your real estate needs. That's the whole purpose of the channel. We want to make you as educated as possible to earn your business. All right, give us a call, guys. And then when we're out there and we're looking at other houses, guys, don't get bottom hurt. Don't be upset that someone else might be looking at the house at the same time that we're looking at it too, especially if it's fresh to the market. That's just the nature of the beast. Okay. We can look at a home with other people looking at a home too. We absolutely can. Don't be scared that we can't get out of the car and go look at the house. While they're in the house, we can look at the front yard and the backyard. We can look at the neighbors. Okay. We can look at a lot of things. And then when they're in the primary suite, we could be in the living room and the kitchen. Okay. So there might be other people at the showings while we're there, but it's perfectly fine. Look at the home, ignore other distractions. Look at the home. Look at the home. And while we're looking at these homes, guys, we're focusing on, does it meet the criteria that we discussed in our initial consultation? Does this home meet that criteria? Does it have 3 beds with the study? Is the study on the right side of the house? Does the floor plan flow? Does it work with our needs? Is the study on the opposite side of the house from the bedrooms? Okay. If you're going to be doing working from home, you may not want to be by the bedrooms. Or if you're doing working from home, you might want to be right behind the garage, away from the living room. Okay. You might not want to be by all the noise and fun and kids laughing or the Xbox blaring or stuff like that. You might want to have the study behind the garage. Okay. Does the backyard have the adequate backyard space that you need? Is the garage long enough to fit your truck in? Okay. We're going to be looking at features of the home to see if it's the one. Is the house location close enough to your church or to Vance Air Force Base for you? Do you need to be within a 15-minute drive of Vance Air Force Base? Well, we probably figured that out before we're looking, but if there was one that was tossed in last minute, we may not have done that yet. But these are things that we want to keep in mind. These are important. And then remember, this is serious, guys. This isn't some salesman technique. This is serious. The good homes go fast. The good homes go fast, and the agent doesn't always, or the seller doesn't always have to do a multiple offer situation. They could literally just take a good offer if it's acceptable for that seller to just take it. If someone's been looking for a home for 2-3 months, they know they got to bid 10,000 over to win that home sometimes, if it's the one. If it's the one. And if you're thinking I might sleep on it, well, in the morning, if it was the one for you and it was the one for someone else, and someone else had already missed out on a couple because they slept on it, they're going to get that house. They're going to get that house, guys. That's just the nature of the beast. That's the nature of the beast. And then remember, the number one thing when you're looking at houses, this is very, very important, guys. And I talk about this with all the buyers that I help. If it's not good enough to write a winning offer on, if it's not good enough to say, I'm going to get that house, it's probably not the one. Am I right? Thumbs up. Thumbs up if that makes sense. It's probably not the one if it's not good enough to write a winning offer on. And in that instance, it's okay to keep looking. You don't have to write an offer that's not going to get it just to make myself or one of the agents that you're working with happy. No, if it's not the one, let's keep looking. Because when it is the one, when it's the one, you're gonna write a winning offer. It's not gonna be like a I'll offer them $5,000 under. It'll be like, give them what they want. I want this house. Give them what they want. I want this house. That's how you know it's the one. That's how you absolutely know it's the one. So, guys, I just want to chat with you. I wanted to bring this to your attention. This is step 3 when you're relocating to Enid, Oklahoma, or the Vance Air Force Base area. If you've got any questions, if you're out there getting ready to relocate and you seem a little lost, I want you to absolutely give myself and the agents that I work with a call, a text, or an email. That way we can earn your business and help you with all your real estate needs. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's go ahead and go to our comments now. Taj, yes, with a $7,000 appraisal gap. Absolutely. Yeah, you write a winning offer when it's the one. You write the winning offer, and you just talk to the listing agent, and we were one of 3 offers, and one of 3 is cash. The house has only been on the market 24 hours. Yeah. There's still, guys, when you're relocating, moving to Oklahoma, you're still dealing with low inventory. The good houses go fast and they get multiple offers. Absolutely, Tosh. Absolutely. Thank you so much for commenting and enjoying it, guys. And Tulsa, all of our Tulsa people, you guys know who Taj is. You guys know him. All of our Tulsa people do. So, guys, hope you have a wonderful night. I hope you had a great Shabbat today, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good one, Taj.